Is this working? I'm just playing. Yeah, so before we get into today's video, guys, I just want to say we couldn't make it work, unfortunately, because obviously we need to tune, so it's kind of an issue. And I guess this would be a face reveal or something. I don't know. Yeah, because I haven't showed my face. Sorry about that, guys. But now you guys know who I am and what I look like. Like a straight up Mexican. No, I'm just playing. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, so we need to get a tune, guys. But first things first, right now, me and my buddy Nico, we're fixing up all the issues that my truck has. It had a lot of misfires, etc., etc. But, and it's running a little bit lean on the fuel. So we're going to fix that. And besides that, oh, actually, he already fixed a lot of misfires that it had, which were like 200 and something plus misfires, which is crazy. I do not recommend the shop that I went to. It was pretty bad. And I'm not going to say any names or anything, but like, if you guys hear about a muffler shop in Montclair, do not go there. If you guys want to know which one it is, I'll let you guys know in a private message. DM me on Instagram if you guys want to know. That way you guys could stay away from there. But or comment down below and I'll let you know through a private message or something. But yeah, anyways, other than that, we need a tune for sure. And yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. I mean, other than that, I'm gonna try to get my truck fixed, make it have 0 issues with the tune. Huge shout out to Nico. Nico's been doing a really great job with us. Like he's been putting in a lot of work with us, man, and I really appreciate it. And you guys should really show him some love, show him support, and hit him up for work for sure. Don't just like his pictures, hit him up for work, guys. Other than that, yeah, let's get into the video. Hope you guys like it, and peace. Yeah, it's cool though? Yeah. Oh shit. LS3 Throttle Body. All the gains. Let's see. Swap out that piece of shit right there. Take the sucker off. And we'll get back to it in a bit, guys. Get started. Here's an adapter. You're gonna have to run one of these if you have a 2003 or 99 up to 2006. But yeah, pretty much, guys. Gonna get a little extra pony. As always, guys, don't forget to disconnect your battery. That's advice from the boy, the man, the myth, the legend, Acosta. Remember that. Remember that. You always disconnect that. Alright. A fried something. I don't know. Fucking PCM, computer, fried everything. Shit. Tonight should be fun though. Hell yeah. Tonight's gonna be a nice, fun night. Alright. Now take the air filter off. Obviously, you don't take the whole thing off, just that piece. Put it aside. Disconnect it. Hold that down. That's good. Yeah, this shit's hot as fuck. I got you again. For those of you guys with an all aluminum radiator, be careful with this shit. Shit hurts. Yeah, there's the stock. What's that, 75 millimeter, no?
Yeah, just about, yeah.
Yeah. Obviously, a straight bone stock. Looks kind of ugly. What do they call this piece right here? The valley cover, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to swap that shit out.
Why?
I don't know. Or I could just change the gaskets, huh?
For the rear?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's if you have VVT or stuff like that.
Oh, variable valve timing, like Ram, Jordan. Yeah, my boy has that right now. See, he has to get different cam sizes and all that for his truck.
Damn, you didn't even have this tire plugged in.
No?
Look at that. Oh, right off.
Check your screws, guys. That shit almost came off with ease. There it is. Cool. Set that aside. That one came off easy too. Yeah, it's all broken. These bolts right here are 10mm bolts. Should be 10mm bolts. If not, we'll let you know what size it is. But it should be. And for 2003s, it's just 3 bolts because it's a 3-bolt intake manifold. That's why you need to run this adapter to make it run and fit properly. All right, it's confirmed. They are 10mm bolts. So next up, taking that sucker off. And yeah. Hey. Oh, never mind.
The camera doesn't like.
I'll say it off camera. I don't want people to know.
People ask me too, can you run that one on your truck?
Oh, yeah? Would you be able to?
No.
No?
Oh, I'm cable driven.
Oh, right. You got that cable in there. Yeah.
Cooling system.
It's in the way?
Yeah.
This fucking thing, huh?
This one doesn't have cooling. So we're gonna need plugs.
Yeah.
Because you see how that one has a cooling system running the throttle body? This one doesn't.
Oh, right. Has this shit, huh?
We need plugs.
Yeah.
Let me go to AutoZone.
Alright, for sure. Alright. Quick trip to AutoZone. Let's put I don't think so. So everything lines up. Everything's good. We're just checking out the bolts. The ones that the ice billet adapter came with are not a 10 mil, so they're 8mm. There they go. Just a quick one. Here, it's all good. I'm gonna hold that. Very cool. Oh, fancy. That one curves up and shit.
We get fancy.
Nice. I had one of those to take out the last spark plug in there, and that shit broke, dude.
You broke it?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, dude. I was like, fuck, man. I had to, like, I don't know what I did, dude. I had to get in there. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Cool. Yes. Oh.
No, there's extra coolant too.
Getting the extra coolant? Yeah, I got some.
I got water either way.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got some GM 5050.
Just put that in there.
Yeah.
Shouldn't get that in there.
So. The covers? Oh yeah. All right, guys. So we need to get some plugs. Yeah. You get a plug because this thing has a plug for the coolant line right there. And the throttle body we got does not come with a plug. So We'll be right back.
Smoke, take your time, it's a long better. There's one queen and a few brothers. The last supper. Keep it 100, I be feeling like Campbell soup over white rice. Baked chicken with the stand up. Black pepper, I'm fully seasoned. Half the different ass, my nigga mash boy video. I'm a pig with a bunch of laughs in the kiddo. Couple sticks.
City. This is what we had to get. Vinyl vacuum caps. Vinyl, whatever you guys say. I think vinyl is the correct way. But anyway, got him. So this is what's gonna plug this shit right there. I'm gonna plug it up, fix that issue, and that way we won't have any problems. So my truck is a squirter. Threw all kinds of fucking antifreeze everywhere. Holy shit. Yeah, that's why you need those plugs, guys. Fuck. Yeah. All right. So yeah, pretty much just have those plugs ready as soon as you take this thing off, because it's gonna go everywhere. Or you just wait till your truck cools down, and shouldn't do it too bad. About the bolts that came with this this adapter. It came with these that like going all the way in, as you can see. Because we tried these bolts. Oh wait, these bolts right here. They were sticking out, so those are no bueno. But they give you 3 different types of bolts, just in case. So shout out to I Spill It. These guys are fucking dope. All right, here's the last one. 2 down, 1 to go. Hell yeah.
And like always,
Hand tighten it. That's the...
Never over torque them.
Yep. That's the manpower that makes shit count.
I've seen people use impacts, bro. Time these.
Oh yeah.
And they break them.
Hell yeah.
I'm not gonna say any names. You know.
Right? Fuck. Oh yeah. It's good. Perfect. Perfecto.
Maravilloso.
Yeah, I definitely recommend getting the oil catch can, guys. I don't know if I mentioned or showed you guys, but there was a lot of oil. Oh, actually, you can see it right here. And yeah, invest in one of those. They're not that expensive. You can find them anywhere. If you want to go the expensive route, that's your choice, but you get a cheap one for now. Look at that shit. Nasty. Yeah, I'm not gonna run this thing like that for too long, because it's not gonna be good. Right on.
Where's the throttle?
Right there. I'm loving it. All right. And yeah, so this is what plugs into your stock Stock, yeah, Field Renegade. Field Renegade? Is that what is it called? I don't know what the fuck this is called. A harness. Plug straight into your harness. And that's the X-Link. You have to run an X-Link, guys. If you try running a cheaper version of this, it will not work. I've investigated it, and trust me, don't try getting the cheap one. Get the X-Link from Torque Rush. Glenn's Auto Performance sells it. You need that.
A couple $100, right?
It's like 230, 240 around there. Well, yeah, and yeah, you have to get that, guys. Don't forget. Tighten down a couple bolts, and after that, we're gonna connect the air filter. Look at those fucking headers, though. They're dirty as shit.
I don't know who the owner is, but
I don't know who drives this shit, but he doesn't clean his shit, man. Oh, fuck.
disconnect this right now.
Yeah. All right. So all we have to do is disconnect this and see how we could set it up, huh? Without it getting burnt. Zip ties. We got a couple, you know. Zip ties never fail. Zip ties for the win. Hell yeah. Nice and clean. Yeah. Cool. Sweet. All right. Be right back. Into the parts store again. We need a clamp. Speed Engineering. Invest in better clamps, guys. But yeah. Back from AutoZone this time. Had to get some clamps. Time tightening that shit out. Nice and sturdy. That one fucking bends too. That'd be a bit. I'm gonna try not to. Oh shit. Yeah, the other one broke. Like I said, it's Speed Engineering. If you guys ever find this video, invest in better clamps.
Yes.
Because these clamps, I broke 2 of them when I first installed this filter, and it was a hassle. It was a hassle. It's not dirty, is it? No. Cool. Yeah, when I took out the old one, hella dusty.
Was it?
Yeah, it was super dusty. Put a fuckload of glue or adhesive in there, huh? They're like, this shit ain't sticking. Make it stick.
It probably wasn't. Just get the fucking out of here.
Right? It's like, just throw the whole fucking bottle in there, man.
Didn't notice.
Look at that shit. It's a lot of glue.
Jason.
Hey, you know, there's this thing right here, but I doubt that's anything. Yeah, because there's like a little cap right here, but I don't think that's anything. Yeah. So, after further inspection, we believe that this intake manifold is a 6.0. But it is yet to be confirmed. Maybe when I go port it, find out, and see what the guy says. If it's a 6.0, shit, it's my lucky day.
Honestly?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That'd be pretty cool if it is. Because it does sit taller than yours.
Very tall.
Yeah, I compared it to my dad's, and that shit was smaller.
Well, keep in mind your dad's truck is new.
No, his 01. Because I remember the intake I was showing you. Yeah, his is 2001, and that one was a little smaller. And his was 532. Yeah.
Could be, bro. Could be.
Yeah, could be.
Only one way to find out.
Right? But, shit, that'd be pretty cool. You already know. Skate High Gang. Fucking killer. Oh, well, I dropped my keys. I'll get them right now. And, yeah, so just gonna put on the filter and be back, guys. All right, guys. So now that that's back in, I forgot to mention, if your stock throttle body, the little gold plate inside, if it's gold, get the cable in gold. If it's silver, get it in silver. Make sure you get the right one because it will not work. So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, we got everything in. Just gonna switch the key 3 times and yeah. All right. This sits a little higher than before, which is actually pretty convenient, right? Only thing is those plugs right there. Yeah, it's just sitting there. It's just chilling out right there, hanging out. But and then this one we got a zip tied over here. But we're gonna invest in something different, something better, right? Yeah, because this is just a temporary fix. But for now, but we need to plug that right there. Close that out and should be good. Should be good. Guys, so connected everything, we ran it all, and unfortunately it idled high and it said reduced engine power in the message center, so it's gonna need a tune. I had a feeling it might have needed a tune, but I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. The homie's over here drinking some antifreeze. but yeah, so yeah, it's gonna need a tune, so keep that in mind as well, people. Yeah, because if not, it's gonna idle high for all you 2003 guys. Other than that, hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna log the truck in and see what can be done. If not, tune for sure. Fuck it, dyno tune, huh?
For the what?
Strap-ons and everything.
No, but you're not talking about strap-ons. Strap down dyno.
Strap down dyno, I mean.
But you're talking about strap-ons, bro. That's something else.
That's some adult shop shit. Alright. But yeah. Pretty much that's it. But yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys posted on that.